Best wishes on the occasion of 79th Independence Day of India and the day which remembrance the freedom of India from the clutch of Britishers in 1947. Children, on this day in 1947, India got her independence. And to achieve this independence, thousands of Indians led by Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many other freedom fighters, they worked hard. They have sacrificed their life for the freedom. And children, and those who work hard, they sacrifice their life, they sacrifice their all the happiness for this day. So now we got the independence, and now we have lot of rights, lots of opportunity. So the thing is that we have to apply all the rights, all these rights in our life by performing our duty. So children, after 79 years, India has achieved a lot in the field of agriculture. In the field of agriculture, India become self-reliant, able to produce the food grain, pulses, the oil seeds, spices, and medicines, and able to export it to other countries. It is able to feed all the Indian. It was a day when India used to borrow the food grain from other countries to feed the Indian. But now the India is the surplus producer, which is able to produce the food grain, and that was due to the continuous hard work of agricultural scientists led by M.S. Swaminathan, who started the Green Revolution, and that actually the revolutionized in the field of agriculture to produce lot of food grain. Similarly, in the field of education, they were there where there was the people who travel, the children who travel a lot distance to reach their school. But now the schools are available in the locality. Again, in early days, the high quality education was not affordable to the public. But due to government initiative, the quality education is now achievable. Now, the children have lot of rights, lot of opportunity. They think that they have to apply these rights, apply this opportunity in the right place so that they can develop their personality. In the field of defense, we have achieved a lot, and recently highlight the Operation Sindoor. You might have already aware about it. That can initiate the specific, target-specific action by which, without destabilizing the public and the public property, only the criminal and the terrorist can be targeted. In this field of space science, as you are aware that this Shubhranshu Shukla, that who travelled to International Space Station, and he is pioneer in the field of the upcoming program of Government of India, Gaganyaan. Similarly, the Indian children, they are doing far better in the field of education, in the field of International Olympiad, recently in the field of physics, chemistry, mathematics. The group of children led by Indian, they have succeeded in International Olympiad in the field of physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Children, all the development, all the research work are already dynamic. So this means we are not in that we have not reached the optimum state, we are an evolving state, where all this achievement, all this development, all the research work are in a continuous stage of renovation, upgradation. So that we can achieve in the days to come. And we can achieve the world guru in the field of spirituality, in the field of science and technology, and in other fields, due to the hard work of the present generation who are in this school. Children, you children are the future citizens of the country. You lead the country within next 15-20 years. So to be able to lead the country, to be able to lead the state, represent the state and nation, it requires the proper education. children, you are getting the right platform where you can get proper education under the guidance of that subject specific, subject expert teacher. They can guide you, and for the optimum utilization of all the resources, and for the proper development of personality, we are providing a lot of opportunity, a lot of experience in this school situation. So all the children should take part in all the opportunity, all the activity, so that they can develop their personality to the fullest extent, and they can lead the country and represent the country in the days to come. So once again, my best wishes to all of you on this Independence Day, and I pay my homage to all the freedom fighters who led their life for this freedom. Thank you all of you.